Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this little tutorial, we're going to create a flat lay pull apart cupcake cake in the shape of a donut. So I've got my mini cupcakes and I'm creating my first inner circle with 8 mini cupcakes and then just filling in around. Press them down firmly and then pop them into the freezer for 10 minutes or into the fridge for 20 minutes to set completely. That way, as we decorate, they won't move around and they'll maintain their shape. Create an outline on the inner circle and then again on the outer circle, and then fill in that space. This is going to be the color of our donut. In hindsight, I would have really filled all the way out to the very edge of the cupcake base so you can't see the cupcakes at all, but you can do that later as I have here. Take a plastic book cover or maybe even a plastic pocket folded many a times and then go over the top of your frosting to make it nice and flat. Choose an icing color. I've colored my buttercream frosting with gel food color and create an outline of the icing. You can start with whichever shape you like and then continue to shape it as you go. Fill in the center again and then use a spatula to smooth it all out. You could also use the spatula to help shape it as well. I found that those dips just didn't look very realistic, so I fanned out the edges of my icing a little bit more and added more frosting to kind of cover those areas. Once you're happy with the shape, take that binder cover and go around the cake again. And notice I'm bending it so it's slightly oval in shape, and that way you get that nice donut-y 3D kind of shape there. Take some sprinkles, sprinkle all over the top. I like it when there's a few different colored sprinkles and also a few different shapes and sizes. I think looks really nice as well. So I'm just going to stick in those little rectangular looking ones. This is where I noticed it didn't look very donut shaped to me, so I went over the outside again and filled all the way out to the outside of the cupcakes. You can use the book binder cover to smooth it out or a spatula as well. Clean up the shape to make it a little bit more circular and neat. And your pull apart cupcake cake is done. I'd like to say thank you to Zankhana for suggesting this donut shaped cake. It was a really fun challenge. My family loved it. And I think it's really easy to replicate at home as well. If you guys would like to see a specific cake, please do let me know and I will endeavor to make it happen. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we'll catch you again in the next video.